Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Outlook and going straight to Calendar. Sign in if prompted and make sure the correct account is selected. Once done, pick the date and whether this is an invite or a private block. That choice changes available fields. Prepare the title, start and end times, and location now, plus any attachments you will add. These prerequisites speed the process and prevent back and forth when adding attendees or detailed info in the next step. Click New Event or New Meeting and type a clear title, then set precise start and end times so availability updates correctly. Use the location field or Teams/Zoom link and open the scheduling assistant to check conflicts. Adjust times accordingly. Add attachments and a concise agenda in the description so attendees know expectations. Then add recipients, marking them required or optional, and choose a reminder. This ensures everyone receives details, and the calendar displays accurate free/busy status. Review all fields, set recurrence if this repeats, and pick sensitivity or calendar color for visibility. If it's a meeting, press Send to distribute invites. For a personal appointment, save and close updates your calendar only. After sending, confirm responses and adjust status if someone declines. If invites don't deliver, first verify attendee email addresses and your outbox. Also check mailbox quota and network connection. If problems persist, restart Outlook or resend from the web calendar for a clean sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.